Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the S24 Ultra and pedestal charger. Enable wireless charging in settings and turn off power-saving modes so charging isn't limited. Once done, choose a Qi-certified pad rated 10 watts or higher for faster charging. Use the phone's center alignment mark. Make sure to remove thick cases, metal plates, or cards that block coils. Hold the phone over the charger before setting it down to confirm the coil position. You'll see a confirmation sound or on-screen icon when alignment is correct. Now you position and optimize. Place the S24 Ultra flat on the pad, center the camera line or on-screen indicator over the charger coil, and make small shifts until the charging icon appears. Slight offsets can drop speed. Make sure the charger sits on a hard, ventilated surface and avoid direct sunlight or nearby heat. Also, close power-hungry apps or disable Wi-Fi transfers to reduce heat and improve efficiency. These steps keep battery temperature lower and maintain faster, more stable wireless power delivery. Finally, monitor the charging animation and percent to confirm progress, and let the phone reach at least 80% without heavy use for best battery health. If charging is slow, swap to the charger's original USB-C adapter and cable. Many pads need a proper power profile to deliver full watts. If charging fails, reboot your phone, then test a different Qi pad to isolate hardware issues. For persistent faults, remove accessories and check for debris on connectors before contacting support. This single troubleshooting step resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.